aggressive me. Hey guys, so today we're gonna take a look at the slip cut, which is basically a move to only move one card while you give the appearance that the whole deck is being cut. It's a very interesting move. It's described in one of the most important and a pretty old Magic book called The Expert at the Card Table by S.W. Erdnase, and I hope you enjoy it. Hey guys, so today we're going to get into the slip cut. For those of you who don't know what it is, slip cut is basically this, which only moves around one card and retains the rest of the deck in the full stock. So the way Erdnase suggested we would use it is to retain the top stock. For those of you who don't know what that is, it just means that we're keeping the top cards in the same place. But if I keep shuffling the cards like this, you start to notice that this package on top never moves. It gets never shuffled. And this is a problem, of course. So the way to get around this is to shuffle the cards, hold back one card with your right hand, drop everything from the left and drop the right card on top. So that now there is one card on top of our stock. Then we would slip cut, and this would retain our stock, but without people knowing that we're doing it and making it harder for them to realize this. So normal shuffle, it already looks much more random. The question now is, how do we get into slip cuts? So a slip cut is basically, hello B, how are you doing today? Nice? Awesome. We have some little friends here. It's basically like a cut forward, like this, but we're only moving the top card, and the bottom packet goes forward, while the top card moves with the bottom pack, like you can see here, which gives it the feeling that if you do it from the front, that the top packet is cut forward. So the way to do this is you're holding the cards like you would do for a riffle shuffle, like you can see in my riffle shuffle video, which we shot in this really beautiful theater in Amsterdam. So briefly, thumbs on the back, middle fingers on the front, first fingers on top. Our left thumb in the back cuts off cards here, like gives it holds a break like this, break. Then our right first finger goes on the top card, and as it moves the bottom package away, our right hand, it drags the top card with it with the first finger. So the moment you have this break here, like this, the bottom package is only being held by the right hand, by the right middle finger and thumb. The left hand is not holding the bottom package anymore. This is just holding the top package, just like you would do in a pass. This makes sure that you can move the packets freely, without there being any friction, making it weird. So you do it like this. First finger goes on top, moves forward, drags the card with it, cuts. And of course, it's important to practice this, make it smooth, keep doing it. You can do a lot of fun things with it. Maybe in a future video we'll get into an ace production using the slip cuts. But for now, just practice doing this to retain your top stock. Just shuffle some cards on top, do some slip cuts, have some fun, and we'll see you guys next time.